Hello friends, welcome to learn Coreldraw. Now let us continue with some other features. Okay, click here. Okay, here is default page is loaded. Now in last lecture we have seen how to create any drawing with the help of basic object and ready-made object. Now let us see today lecture. Let us see filling options. Suppose I draw something, then it will easily fill with the help of these colors. Okay, you can choose any color. If you want to shade of this color, then simply uh, press down the mouse here, then you will find the different shades of this color. Okay, now again if we want to check more shades, then here go to fill tool. The first option is uniform fill. In uniform fill you have here number of options: models, mixtures and palette. You can simply click any color. Here you have shades of different colors. Suppose I want this shade, click on OK. Now this color is get filled. Then here is you have here three options: models, mixture and palette. Within the models you can also here also you can choose a shade. Okay, here you have a lot of color shades. If you go to downward, then shades are changed. Here we see the CMYK palette. Here you have a different palette. Here you have different palette. Okay, not only CMYK. Here you have default palette. You have RGB palette. RGB colors are more bright than any other palette. If you want to create any drawing for e-copy or for online presentation, then you can easily use RGB colors. These are so bright colors. Here is the shade of this color. Here also you can choose the shade. Click on OK. Now the next option of filling is fountain fill. Within fountain fill you can choose two colors. The suppose first color is this one and second color is, suppose I want to choose yellow color, is the shade is created. You can also move the angle of this shade. Suppose I use this angle and click on OK. Now this shape is filled with selected two colors. Now here suppose you can also use radial. Suppose I use here radial. Click on OK. Here is the radial. Suppose I want the radial at, at this side, then also you can choose the direction. You can also choose here conical. You can set the horizontal and vertical center. Square. Suppose the horizontal is 0 and vertical is also 0, then it will set exact at the middle like this. Now again go to fountain fill. Here you have only two color options. If you want to check the more colors, here also you can choose a different shade: linear, clockwise, anti-clockwise. You can also move the midpoint. Here you can also choose a palette, but this is used within the custom shape. You have a lot of choice to choose the colors, because here suppose this is first palette, I choose here this one. This palette I choose this color. This one I choose this color. Then simply double click on this ribbon. You will find the, or you can just choose a new color. Okay, instead of radial, let us take here linear and change the angle. Click OK. Now here is the different shades. You in case of fountain custom, you can choose a number of shades. Let us choose here. Suppose I choose here gray color. Now here, if you want to remove the these nodes, then simply double click on node. Then these nodes get removed. Okay, here I choose gray. Here light gray. Again gray. Suppose this one gray, light gray. I think no, this is desired. Again dark gray. Let us see what happened. Dark gray. Now here I choose radial. Sorry, conical. Okay, and exact place the center at 0, 0. Okay, now it is look like a CD. Fill it with white color. It is look like a CD. Like this, you can choose a custom colors with the help of fountain fill. Here also you have square, radial, linear, etc. If you go to other, then again our basic palette of color is open, and here also you can choose a different color. Okay, after that, the next option is pattern fill. Here you have two color pattern. Later, we can also learn how to choose pattern, how to create pattern with our own choice. Click on OK. Okay, while using this pattern fill, go to last one tool. This is interactive fill tool. Then here you have option of small size, medium size, and large size. Okay, you can also edit option with the help of this one. You can also, if you want to change the height and width, you can use these options. Okay, with the help of interactive fill. Here also you have option of uniform fill, linear, radial, square, two color pattern. Okay, now let us continue with this pattern fill. Here you have a lot of option, and later you can also create your own pattern. Then there is full color pattern. As the name full color, you can't change any, you can't change the color. Choose any one. Click on OK. Here also you can choose small, medium, and large. Because interactive fill tool is on, therefore these options will appear. If you click pick tool, these options will disappear. Therefore, if you want to if you want to edit with that options, then you have to use interactive fill tool. Let us see other filling options. Here is within the pattern fill. Here we have bitmap pattern. Bitmap pattern has images, different type of images within this. Here also we can't change color. Only these are the pure bitmap images. You can select any one. Suppose this image is, suppose we choose this image. Click on OK. Now this image get fill. The next one is texture fill. Here texture fill, you have a number of samples. You can choose as per your choice. You can also change your colors and see the preview. And if you click on OK, then this texture get filled. Okay, here you have a different color shades. You can choose your color as per your choice and you can fill it. After that, there is Postscript fill. For Postscript fill, you have to on preview, and then here these are some types of Postscript fill. Okay, click on OK. And if you don't want to fill anything, then you can choose no fill. Here also you have option of no fill. After that, if you click on color, open this lock, then you can directly change the color. Okay, as well as you can also fill outline. If you want to fill outline with different color, look at here. Okay, you can also fill the outline with different colors. Okay, as I said, these all options are available within this interactive fill tool. You can choose here linear color shading. Here are the options of color. Now you can also choose radial, conical. Same options are available here. Then there is two color pattern. Here you have a two color pattern. You can choose a color from this palette. Okay, after that, full color pattern. Here also we have full color pattern as well as bitmap pattern and picture fill. Here also postscript fill, but here it has only a type. If you want to see the preview, then you have to go here fill options. Okay, like this you can fill a like this you can fill number of options. After that, one more option is available for filling the color. Let us click on no fill. Here is the mesh fill. In mesh fill you have a number of rows and columns, and as you have to select the nodes and click on color. Simply select the nodes and click on color. You have different type of color options. You can also choose color from these options. Okay, you can also mix this color by increasing or decreasing number of rows and columns. Okay, you can also use this mesh fill like this. Suppose here we draw rectangle, go to mesh fill, choose here number of rows and columns. Here suppose first row has this color, the second row has some different color, next row. You can also fill color row by row or column by column. You can choose color as per your choice. Like this you can fill the different color. You can also create a pattern of these colors. Okay, rectangular, or you can also use freehand, either rectangle number of rows column, or you can use you can try it yourself. Okay, like this you have a lot of filling options within the Coreldraw. Try this filling option on different shape and apply your own logic while filling this, while using these filling options. Okay, thank you for watching the lecture. We will continue in next lecture.